In this video, we will learn how to change zoom level in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and go to the right hand side. Then click on this three dot and here you can see the menu list. Then click on the settings options and you can see the some options here available left hand side. Then click on the accessibility option and here the first option, the page zoom. So default zoom level for all site. To see the zoom level for certain site, go to zoom levels and here you can see the percentage you can change for zoom level. Okay, I just click on this drop down arrow and just drag below. You can see here the up to 500% zoom level you can use here. So I just select here the 300 percentage. Now I just open here one website in Microsoft Edge browser. So I open here the today news. You can see here the zoom level 300 percentage. Now I just go to the settings and I just edit here the zoom level. So I set here the 100 percentage. Now you can see this is a 100 percentage zoom level. So this is a way you can set the default zoom level in Microsoft Edge browser up to 500. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.